Gotta love that extra gallon fuel tank in 2021.
Oh, proper brew is that. Proper brew. Yorkshire tea, 2 sugars, splash of milk. I like coffee. I drink more coffee now that I live in the US, but cup of tea. Cup of tea. Oh. 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 Right, we better get this bacon sarnie on then, shall we? Oh. Right, here we go. That is just wonderful. That is just wonderful. Just absolutely perfect. Just reminds me of being back home. Sun's already gone down behind the hill and it's only 3:30, but I did hike up quite high. I'm probably yeah, maybe at the top of this mountain. So I got a good hike in here. So hopefully I get out before it gets too dark, but it shouldn't get too dark for at least another 30 minutes, so better eat this and pack up and then back to the truck. I know it doesn't look like much, but this is actually a deer bed, an old deer bed. You can see the tracks coming in and out of it. My guess is there's probably one there as well, but it's obviously a couple of days old at least, but you can see what it is. It doesn't look like much, but if you know what to look for. See, they like to bed at the top of these little knolls and ridges with their nose facing into the wind, so if anything comes up in front of them and they can smell it, then they can run back over the other side.
this is frozen solid. So I was trying to pull the tailgate up. The tailgate popped out. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. Boots are off. Boots are off. This thing, a little space heater, because if Buddy Xander can power a microwave with his, I figured I could try this one. I don't want you to melt the cord. The cord's frozen. Figured I could probably try this. Are you in? I don't want it too hot. Oh, thermostat, yeah. Oh. Ooh, oh, success, success. Pickled dilly beans. I absolutely love them. I bought that jar yesterday and look out, it's already gone. I just can't stop eating them. Dilly beans and some chocolate milk. I am gonna poop weird tomorrow, but anyway, the little heater's working good on that battery pack. I don't know how long it'll last for, but I just need it to get warm in here, and then I can turn it off, and then obviously in the morning when I get dressed and stuff, have it on again. So anyway, hope you guys have been enjoying the truck camping videos. I know Blue is the star of the show. I know she's the star, but it's just too cold for her right now. Like it was 25 all day today. Tonight it's going to be in the teens. So I don't know what that is, negative, whatever. So it's going to be really cold. She suffers from a thing called swimmer's tail, which is actually more prevalent in hunting dogs, but basically what happens if she gets cold, and especially like today, if she was sat in that snow or out in that snow for a while, then the joints in her tail get really inflamed, and then she can't wag her tail, and it's very painful for her. So I don't like bringing her out anymore if it's cold. So she's at home, she's tucked up in front of the fire. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go drink my chocolate milk. Peace.